Today's world cargo scanning capacity only covers 2% of all cargo transports moving around the world every day. The new transport security policies impose complete screening in order to overcome the constantly growing threats of terrorist attacks and contraband. The problem that current scanning technologies have is of low throughput, needing a high number of cargo scanners to cover the capacity. The RoboScan family of products solves the low throughput problem of any cargo checkpoint. RoboScan1mc is a high-throughput relocatable vehicle scanner that allows full scanning of vehicles driven through its portal without the need of stopping the vehicle, thus achieving a throughput of more than 200 long vehicles per hour. RoboScan1mc is the most technologically advanced mobile non-intrusive security inspection system that can fit in an ISO high-cube container which can be shipped by standard freight transport anywhere in the world, being capable of fast deployment within just 5 minutes after arrival on site. RoboScan1mc, the newest member of the RoboScan family, is lighter, weighing only 5 tons, at least 2 times lower than any other competitor product. Faster, having a throughput of 200 long vehicles per hour. Dual energy, the first ever gamma scanner with material discrimination. RoboScan is the only system in the world fully remote operated by one single operator, totally eliminating the risk of professional and accidental irradiation. The operator remotely controls all processes by wireless network from the mobile control center placed outside the exclusion area. Most of the operations, including transmission, brakes, and steering, are computer controlled. RoboScan1mc weighs only 5 tons, which is less than half compared to any other competitor product, considering that at the same time it is the most automated, flexible, and versatile mobile gamma scanner available on the world market now. RoboScan converts automatically from transport mode to scanning mode by deploying the boom following an automated sequence. The boom has been designed as shape and structure in order to minimize its own weight, to maximize its performance, and to fit inside a high-cube ISO container for immediate freight transport around the world. The traffic flow of the inspected vehicles is controlled by an automated subsystem consisting of entry-exit barriers commanded by the software application. The vehicle to be inspected passes through a radiation materials detector and finally is placed in the position to be scanned. The driver of the scanned vehicle leaves the exclusion zone and then the perimeter protection of the exclusion area is activated. The scanning process is initiated and the scanning image is sent via wireless network and displayed on the monitor inside the mobile control center. The slow motion is automatically controlled by electronic and informatics modules. After the scan is completed, the operator analyzes the radiography generated, and if there are no indications of fraudulent intentions, the scanned vehicle is allowed to leave the exclusion area. The mobile scanning unit returns automatically to the initial position and the system is ready for another scanning process. An operating mode that increases throughput of RoboScan1mc is the sequential scanning of stationary inline vehicles. The process is similar to one-by-one scanning, but with a longer exclusion area. This scanning mode is an optimized solution in terms of throughput and image quality, but is recommended for checkpoints that can accommodate long lines of vehicles. The highest throughput operating mode requires the RoboScan1mc unit to be stationary and vehicles to be driven through at speeds ranging from 10 to 20 kilometers per hour, thus allowing total control of more than 200 long vehicles per hour. This operating mode is totally safe for the occupants of the inspected vehicles, generating a radiation exposure equivalent to 1 minute of airplane flight at 10,000 meters altitude. Key advantages: robotic operation by a single operator, total protection against ionizing radiations, advanced automated and IT-assisted operation, light, flexible, and extremely mobile solution, robust and reliable operation in all weather conditions, remote diagnosis, report, and operation over internet connection, and optimized total cost of operation.